Assalamualaikum guys. Ayan, dito tayo sa Good Idea Branch, Benisan. Ayan, meron kami dito pa big offer. Lalo na yung mang inasal namin. Ayan siya for only 1 BD. May kasama yan siyang rice, may kasamang free soup. Tapos meron kang only chicken oil, may soy sauce. Tapos ito yung pa big offer namin, Sherry. Ito ay 2 BD lang. Ayan ha, good for 3 person na po to siya for only 2 BD. Tapos available yung 1 dinar 500. Ito may kasama na to siyang salad, may kasamang kubos, only soup. Ayan ha, tapos yung mang inasal 1 BD, only soup, only chicken oil. And then tapos available din yung tika namin. Pwede kayo magpili chicken at saka beef. 5 stick po yun siya for only 1 BD. May kasama na yun siyang kubos, may kasamang salad, may free soup, tapos yung kebab, same lang sila. 5 pieces, free soup, free salad. Ayan, for only 1 BD. Tapos available din yung liver. Ayan, liver. Tapos yung mga Filipino barbecue dito. Ayan, assalamualaikum. Thank you.